So state design pattern is a behavioral design pattern in which the it allows basically object to change its behavior according to its internal state changes. And yeah, it is very useful when we have to manage the all behavior of object according to its state. And in this we just create a separate state of that object. And after that we can manage like finite state machine, uh, where we can switch one state to another state according to its internal state. So yeah, we have three main component here. So first is the context in which we store the uh, main object and also its state. And next is our base state, where which is the base class of the state, and after that we create some concrete state. So that is the third component where actual state is there. So particular one state is there. And for example, we have a player in any games, let's say. um, yeah, so player has some characteristic like idle, jump, and shoot and walk, something like that. So these could be like a state instead of creating some if and else condition, which makes a little more complex code. So we can just create a separate state for each behavior of that object, which is in case we have player. Also we have several npcs and enemy in our game, so we can manage their state also. So yeah, so next is the generic state machine. So basically it is a dynamic kind of state machine where we can dynamically create our state according to our logic. And it is very useful when we want to make our reusable code. And it is a as in this is a dynamic in nature. So and also it is very data driven. So according to that we can just create we can use trees and graph of a state where we can manage according to that data structure. And also which is better state pattern or behavior trees. So basically state pattern is very useful when we have a less amount of state of any object. So in that case we can use that. And behavioral basically used for complex state when we have complexity is much larger. So in that case we can use behavior trees. So yeah, that's all.